Next topic, periodic trends in chemical properties. Already we know the topic of atomic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity value. In addition to these properties, reactivity, valence, oxidation state, etc. of chemical properties also show periodicity to certain extent. First topic, valence. Valence of atom, it is the combining capacity relative to hydrogen atom. It is usually equal to number of valence shell electron or 8 minus number of valence shell electron. Instead of valence, oxidation state term is more convenient. Periodicity of valence or periodicity of oxidation state. The valence of atom depends on number of electron present in the valence shell. In same group of elements have same number of valence electron, so it has same valency. Let us see first group elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These elements have same number of electrons in the valence shell is 1. So valency of first group element is 1. Let us consider 15 group elements. 15 group elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These elements have same number of valence electron, that is 5. Already we know valency equal to number of valence shell electrons or valency equal to 8 minus number of valence shell electron. So valency of 15th group element, that is equal to 5 or 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So valency of 15th group elements are 3 and 5. Let us consider first period elements. First period elements have variable valency. First period elements are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Lithium number of valence electron 1, so valency equal to 1. Beryllium number of valence electron 2, so valency is 2. Boron number of valence electron is 3, so valency of boron is 3. Carbon number of valence electron is 4, so valency of carbon is 4. Nitrogen number of valence electron is 5, so valency equal to 5 or 3. Oxygen number of valence electron 6, so valency equal to 6 or 2. Fluorine number of valence electron 7, so valency equal to 7 or 1. Neon number of valence electron is 8, so valency equal to 8 or 0. From this table we know if the element have number of valence electron is more than 4, it have 2 valency. But if the element have equal to 4 or less than 4 number of valence electron, these elements have only one valence. Next, anomalous properties of second period elements. As we know, same group elements show similar physical and chemical properties. However, each group of first element physical and chemical properties differ from other members of the same group in certain properties. For example, lithium and beryllium form covalent compounds, but alkali and alkali earth metal which predominantly form ionic compounds. Alkali metals are first group elements. Alkali earth metals are second group elements. Even though lithium and beryllium belongs to first group elements, it form more covalent compounds, but other alkali metals are form ionic compounds. Reason is lithium belongs to second period elements. Second period elements have only 4 orbitals. They are 1 2s orbital and 3 2p orbital, whereas other group elements are belongs to third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh period elements. These elements have more orbitals in their valence shell, so it shows higher valencies. For example, boron forms Bf4 minus and aluminium forms AlF63 minus. Both boron and aluminium elements belongs to same 13 group elements, but boron belongs to second period element. Aluminium belongs to third period element, so they differ from their properties. Next topic, diagonal relationship. On moving diagonally, that is left to right side slanting position across the periodic table, second and third periodic elements show certain similarities even though the similarity is not same as we see in a group. The following pairs of elements show diagonal relationship. Lithium sodium belongs to first group elements, beryllium magnesium belongs to second group elements, boron aluminum belongs to 13 group elements, and carbon silicon belongs to 14 group elements. Even though lithium first group elements, lithium physical and chemical properties same as second group second elements of magnesium. Same wise, second group first element of beryllium properties similar to 13th group second element of aluminum, and 13th group first element of boron properties similar to 14th group second element of silicon properties. So, similarity properties existing between the diagonally placed elements. This property is called diagonal relationship.